Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about Robinhood and how to use that. Well, now Robinhood's available on the computer, so I'm always on my computer because of school and all this. There's stuff like investing, Craigslist. I'm always on it, just looking at stuff. So when you get into Robinhood, you sign in. The your portfolio is right here. It's all your stocks and everything. It does not include gold. Now, if you're familiar with gold, um, it's going to be right here under account. You can use gold. It's about $10 a month for $2,000 worth of buying power, your buying, um, matching your deposits. I believe it matches your deposits. So say you deposit $100, it will give you another $100 for gold buying. So right here, I believe it's under banking. No, it's under account Robinhood Gold. See, Robinhood Gold use 2,045. That's why I'm negative 45 and 35 cents. My value is 2,300 and market value of stocks 4,442.55 cents. That's what gold is. Like it just kind of like it's like borrowing money. Your first month's free, and then to cancel, you call customer support and you just cancel. But this it's not bad. You can make some money here and there. So this year portfolio, this how much it went up today. 3.24% is not bad. $76 that I had at one point. We had a really bad market this week, so it's pretty ugly looking. All right, so I was up about 7.72% this week. It dropped quite a bit. You can tell. Almost 20% right there, and then it dropped. Um, Not too bad. It's recovering right now, but it is a great time to buy. So I would highly suggest buying some of these stocks. So right here, you can scroll down, and this menu will follow you. These are some cryptocurrencies. Robinhood Gold doesn't actually have as many cryptos if you're interested in doing crypto, but if you'd like another crypto software, I would suggest like maybe Coinbase or something else. I'm not too big on cryptos, but I do invest a little bit into cryptos. I did invest about $1,000 into Doge a while back in Coinbase, but it wasn't that crazy. You can make a lot. Potential is pretty big, so I'll just click on it. I'll show you around. So this year live, this that's a big bump, but this is what usually happens. This is within a past hour. What it says right there, past hour. So it just tell you like, say you want to buy right now at 0.00284. You would literally buy how much in US dollars are you willing to buy. So say you want to buy $10, it would give you the estimated Doge is 1,875 Doge. That's per share. You can put in as much money as you want. I would suggest doing limit orders because say you want that $10, you want to buy it at the same price, you 0.005283. That would buy it at the same price without adding extra money into it because I bought this for about 0.0065, but it added the 5 to it. It does that because the market does fluctuate. Now, with these Doge limits, you can buy at whatever price you want if it hits that price. So say it hits 0.0050, right? You'd hit review order. Well, I'm negative in my buying power, so negative 45. It will ask you how long. Okay, so you do limit order, you do $10 or whatever amount you'd like to buy. This will tell you what price you want to buy, about 2,000 Doge. And once it hits that price, it will buy it. It will ask you good for the day or good till canceled. If you say good till canceled, it'll last as long as it needs to till it hits that price and it'll buy automatically, which is great. You know, a lot of people use uh, don't use market buys because it does add a little bit of a tax and it doesn't really. it just doesn't make sense to do a market buy instead of a limit. But if you do want to buy at market price, I would suggest a limit and do it like probably 2-3 cents underneath the limit, underneath the market price. Let's go back home. All right. So say so here's your news. Just read up if you'd like to. You can click on it. It'll take you to a different page, and you can read it. I really don't like the news from here. I actually like looking it up myself. So here are my stocks. You look at your stocks. So you want to look at Spark Thermopedics. Here's ONCE. And it's performing pretty. It's a great time to buy it. I mean, it's just decreasing. It's got highs of 92s. I mean, here's how much my portfolio is worth, how much it cost me, what it's worth, today's return, and my total return. It went down. That's about how much I bought all my shares for. I have 27 shares. I bought some under that and some above that. Now, a good way to know what a company is worth is by its earnings. It's hitting their earnings fairly well, except for here and here. It's missed earnings. These are negative signs right here. These are negatives. It's missed. It's gone below. I should have caught that, but sometimes I just tend to buy. Now it's a buy and a hold. It's more of a buy than a hold. So, Spark Thermopedics, you look at this sign, ONCE. Now, I go to tradingview.com. It's free. You can sign up or you don't have to sign up, but it'll keep popping up. So, type in ONCE. It'll pop up. There we go. Now, this is a swing trading template that I use. I just click on it, it'll pop up. There we go. And it literally just tells you lows, highs, lows, highs. It looks like negative. You know, it's going down. You hit more right here where it's under details. Scroll down, you hit more. Right now, it's a sell. It's saying it's gonna sell pretty soon. But this is within 1 day. You have the choice of doing 1 minute. A lot of people do day trading, and they'll look at 1 minute through 4 hours. And these are like exponential moving average, when to buy. People are saying what the value is worth after 1 hour, and when you should sell. But I tend to look at the 1 week. So it's gonna say it's gonna go back up to about 60s. Some people even say 70s, and someone said 48. So that's quite a big difference. 22. Wow. And so I just look at it, get like a ballpark number. I'm gonna say about 65. I see 65 here, 63, some high 50s, low 60s, mid 60s, and high 60s. So I'm gonna say about 65. I get about 65. Now, you can read some of the headlines right here. I tend to just browse by it. I'm like, oh, all right. New principal data for Pompe disease gene therapy candidate. All right, sweet. I look at it. I'm gonna say about 65. I do some math real quick. I'm like, all right, buy 55 shares, or I say this about 47.94. Say I buy. I want to sell. I want to buy something, right? I want to buy 10 shares. Instead of buying at market price, I'm gonna go click on this. Do limit order, 10 shares, good till cancel, whenever I want to cancel. Now my price, say it's gonna drop, 75, 45. I cut my price down. Instead of being 74, 75, make that 20 bucks, you know? 45 times 10, 450, basic math right there. But it'll cut it. As soon as this drops to $45 per share, which it hasn't in a while, it will buy 10 shares. If you like waiting, that's fine. If you don't, buy it at market. It'll cost you a little more. I would just set a limit, like a few pennies underneath, and I'll buy. Not to trade. Not a big fan. I'm not too familiar with this trading platform. There's a strike price. It says where it's gonna go up. It'll go up, and I'm not even really sure how this works. So I'm just not even gonna teach that because I'm not that familiar. This is what the company's about. You can read up on it. I like doing my own research. Like I said, um, Robinhood does provide some neat things, the very basic layout, but I do like it because it's free trades, technically. Now let's go home. Okay, so you want to look up a stock. Let's type in Walmart. Now you look at it, you're interested in buying it. All right, $94.98. All right, look at the week. All right, it's got pretty good highs. Right now it's 93 was a low, now 95. You still got room to make about like $3 per share. Say that. It's doing well. Now in the year, it's all right. But you got to think about Amazon said they could put Walmart out of business. That's probably why it's a lower buying rate. Now, I would I would probably not buy into Walmart because of the Amazon. Now, you can do some probably research, be like Amazon um, versus Walmart. I don't know what to type in. I'm not. No, Walmart. Amazon has a higher market cap at 700 billion versus 310 billion. All right, well, this is investors.com. You know, it's engaged in a head-to-head competition. All right, I would not compete with Amazon. I would just not compete with Amazon. Now we can look at Walmart. Let's go back to the tab. WMT is the symbol for Walmart. So TradingView requires you to use those WMT, which is Walmart. I believe it's common stock, yes. And you know it's common stock um, because of this. All right, let me. There's a little U.S. flag right there. Stock, Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Click on it. People are saying buy it. Walmart acquires information brand bear accessory. Bear accessories. Yeah. Click on more. See how it's gonna do this week. It's a strong buy. It's gonna lower in price a little bit. Like that, we got 93s, 90s, 77s, 81s. I mean, it's looking all right to buy in a week. Right now. Now these are telling me this they might sell, but most people right here. Overall summary. It's telling me it's neutral, buy and sell. I mean, that's a three-way right there. That's a three-way tie to me. Now right here, it's mostly a buy and a neutral. It's gonna lower. You shouldn't buy right now because it's gonna lower in price. Buy in about a week and then sell probably. Yeah, buy in about a week or even a month. Some of these guys are predicting, but a lot of guys, 4 guys are still blank. I mean, I would wait about a week and buy into it and sell at about 95 for 10 shares. I mean, you can make, what was the average right there? About, say you buy for 93. Right now it's at 95. You buy at 93. So you do, grab your phone. So you do 93 times, say you buy 10 shares. That's $930. Say you sell them for 95. 95 times 10 equals 950 minus 930. You make $20 in a week. Wow. You could do that. You could make $20 in a week. If this is not your only stock, please don't invest in one stock. Please spread your risk when you first start investing, unless you know that stock will skyrocket. That's basically all I have today for Robinhood. Thank you.